let's go back to that back corner and take a look at what it looks like to bleed it out of that bottle. Okay, so here we are at the pesticide rear. So I've got my bleeder bottle here connected, and it is connected here to the bleeder valve right here on top. So you just press the hose into place, and then that's a 9mm basically nut on this. So basically just turn it. Could be a little stiff. There we go. Yeah, it looks like tea coming out of there. So you just turn it enough to loosen it. You don't crank on it a bunch, right? So just do enough for it to come out. Sometimes I'll use a light. So if I'm getting to the point where I'm having a hard time seeing it, I'll put a flashlight on the other side of the hose. But yeah, it's definitely coming out of there, and it is brown, brown, brown. So you know that we're looking for clear. We're not getting any bubbles, but we will at some point. So go ahead, and this is just patience. This is just going to be a matter of sitting here and going ahead and letting this bleed through. Know it's getting pressure from the other end, and you run it until it runs clear. This corner is going to take the longest because it's the furthest from the reservoir. So just let it run. Once it runs clear and you have no bubbles coming out, take your wrench and close this. Put your brake sensor cable back into the little elbow of this cover. Put the cover back into place and go ahead and do all the rest. See, there we go. There's some bubbles right there. Probably not going to be able to see them on the camera, but definitely seeing some bubbles come through now. And it's getting lighter and lighter as it goes here, which is good. It's not the tea brown that initially was. Okay, but just patience and let this keep going.